The 2011 Washington Quarter Chickasaw National Recreation Area, Oklahoma, is a commemorative issue. The reverse is the Lincoln Bridge, built of limestone and dedicated in 1909 to celebrate the centennial of Abraham Lincoln's birth. The Chickasaw National Recreation Area in Oklahoma was first established in 1902 under President Theodore Roosevelt and is actually older than the state of Oklahoma itself. Originally part of the Chickasaw Indian Nation's Sulphur Springs Reservation, the park was renamed in honor of the Chickasaw, which ceded to the United States government some of the 640 acres of Indian land, comprising the original park, including more than 30 mineral springs. The 2011 B Mint Mark total mintage 69,400,000. Collector value good and very good 20, fine and very fine 23 pesos, extra fine 37, about uncirculated 52, and uncirculated 60 pesos. The 2011 P Mint Mark total mintage 73,800,000. Collector value good 15, very good 17, fine 25, very fine and extra fine and about uncirculated 32 pesos and uncirculated 61 pesos.